Are we ready?
Yeah.
Why don't you show everybody what you made? Let me see.
I made the wheels on the bus.
You made the wheels on the bus? Wait, let me see Sky. Uh-oh.
That's what a bus.
You made a bus?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your bus.
Ah.
Did you make that bus?
Okay.
You're gonna make some fantastic art on Mommy's face, aren't you? Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Ooh. There it is. This is the mini controversy. So cool. Maddie, do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think? Is it toddler approved?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to see the colors? What color do you want?
Orange.
You want orange? Okay. Well, there's cheese dust in the other one. Oh goodness, look how pretty. I was saying in my other one, it's amazing to actually hold it. There it is.
I made the wheels on the bus.
You made the wheels on the bus. Now Maddie, what do you think?
Good.
You like that?
Yeah.
Do you want to make Mommy's face all pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Should I swatch these real quick?
I want the white one.
Okay, let Mommy swatch these. So here are our colors swatched out. Flat Earth, Crying on My Couch, My Boyfriend's Purse, Controversy, Diet Root Beer, My Apology, Exposed, Canceled, and The Simulation. Where's my partner? You gonna come do my makeup? We gotta make sure that this is Jeffree Star approved. We've gotta make sure that this is toddler approved, right? Jeffree Star approves everything. Jeffree Star approved.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, which one are you gonna do first?
Pink one.
The pink one. Okay.
I got pink.
You got pink? Okay, where are you gonna put it? You gotta put it on Mommy's eyes. Oh, good job. Oh, that was beautiful. Good job. Doesn't show up all that much.
Now I do want to do blue one.
Okay, do you want me to get it on there for you? Ready?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, you're fine. You do it. Okay.
Cute.
Oh, goodness gracious. This is where this look is gonna... Oh, that's... Thank you, Maddie. Oh, goodness. Thank you, Maddie. Is it pretty?
Yeah.
Good.
Now
Oh, this is lovely.
Now I want to do a white one.
Okay, you do it.
I got a white
Okay,
one.
do it. Oh, lovely. Thank you. Oh, that is just good. Thank you. I am so glad that you know how to use an eyeshadow palette. Okay. Can you put it on Mommy's eyes? Put it on my eyes. Okay. Now what? Now which one?
This one. This one.
Okay.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I did.
This is lovely.
I want another blue one.
You want another blue one? Okay.
I got blue.
Thank you. This is purple. What? In what world do you think we put makeup in our ears? Do you put makeup in your ears? Okay. This is looking to be a quite the look.
Which one I can pick now?
You pick whichever one you want. You are the makeup artist. Okay. Which one do you want?
That's your nine. No.
Yeah. Which one do you want?
This one.
All right, we're tapping into Diet Root Beer.
Your turn, Mommy.
My turn. Which one do you want me to do? Am I putting it on you?
No.
No? Okay, which one?
You put on you.
You put it on me? Okay, which one?
This one.
My boyfriend's purse? Does your boyfriend have a purse?
Yeah.
You have a boyfriend? Who's your boyfriend?
Sister.
That's your sister. Where am I putting this? Show me. Where do I put it?
Where on the face?
Where on my face?
Yeah.
Anywhere?
Right here.
On my nose?
No, right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Lovely. Okay. Which makes me look like I have a mustache. That's a good look. Okay. What's next?
Just play around you.
Are you all done? Maddie, are you all done doing my makeup?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Well, this is the finished look. Lovely. Do you want to smile and say cheese?
Cheese.
Okay. Can you stand up?
Oh,
Say.
Green.
Yep. Okay. All right. Tell everybody thanks for watching.
Walking.
Say mini controversy. Mini controversy. You can't say that, can you? Mini controversy. That's close. Thank you for doing my makeup. Is this Maddie Toddler approved? Yeah? Did you like doing your makeup with Jeffree Star makeup? Did you like doing mommy's makeup with this palette? Is this your favorite? Which color is your favorite? Which one?
Pink.
You like this one? Her favorite is Exposed. She likes Exposed.
I got on my finger.
You got it on your finger. Oh, your finger just cracked. Thank you so much for doing my makeup, Maddie. Love you. Gotcha. All right, you want to say bye to everybody? Say, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you in the next one.